thing.
By the way, happy birthday to my very good friend Julie Forbes, who works in the office of the Prime Minister. Jules, I hope you have a brilliant day today, and I wish you so many, many more. All right, so a love for good food is a passion most people around the world have in common. However, it comes with table manners, and customs vary from country to country. For example, in Japan, I'm told most commonly when eating noodles and soups, slurping shows your appreciation of the food to the chef. Apparently, the louder, the better.
Lord have mercy.
And you may also drink directly from the soup bowl. Spoons are uncommon. And when it comes to chopsticks, you've got to be careful. Crossing them, licking them, or sticking them into a bowl of rice is considered very rude in Japan and many other Asian countries, including China.
Wow, didn't know that. See, you know, you don't think cross it because you used to put in it. Wow, all right.
When I was spider.
Crossing it, I don't know. It might have some time-old tradition. So, sorry, left-handers. In India, the Middle East, and some parts of Africa, it is considered unclean to eat with your left hand.
Why?
I don't know. Why you use your left hand and know why it's unclean?
No.
All right. Now, this one is interesting. You know how there's the big topic of going Dutch? You should pay on a date and you should split the bill. Well, in France, which is why that's a big no, it cannot be done, as this is the height of unsophistication. I love France. Offer to pay the bill in its entirety. You know, a long time we married to Thierry Henry. Also, we know bread as an appetizer in restaurants. Well, this isn't the case in France, that's true. Instead, it serves to assist the food to the fork. When you eat the bread, tear off a piece of it to eat instead of biting directly into the bread. When not in use, the bread belongs on the table or tablecloth instead of the plate. But France has a variety of bread, so that's why they can do that.
If me and you go dinner and I do have no money, you can pay?
It's the height. It's not just unsophisticated. It is the height at the pinnacle. A boot or something that's what I'm trying to tell you. If you ask me to pay, you are a sketch.
So if you are my girlfriend,
yes,
and I don't have all the money, and I said, sweetie pumpkin,
yes,
let us go to dinner, but you have to go
we not go to dinner then if you not have it.
But me want to go dinner, so why you can't?
No, but where you want to go where you not have, no put your hat where you can't, the bamboo pole take it down.
Don't put your hat where you can't take bamboo pole.
Bamboo pole.
Explain that.
It's just way up, you can't reach it.
Bamboo pole. Everybody in the studio say, where you get that?
Yes, man, I put your hat where you can't get bamboo
pole.
Right,
so
if you can't go out, let's just stay home and watch TV together.
No, but I want us to go out, and if we are together and we love each other, and I only have $10 and it's $15 Friday, 2 weeks.
They didn't say it's just not sophisticated, it's the height at the top part like that.
Don't put your hat where bamboo pole.
Can't take it down.
All right. So in Chile and Brazil, touching your food with your hands is considered ill-mannered.
What?
Fries included.
Get out.
Even pizza and burgers are normally eaten with knife and fork. Yeah?
No, sir.
Eh?
Well,
So if you get a burger, you have to put on the burger and have the knife and fork. Eh? They can't just pick up the burger and just go.
And fries, you have to go. At some parts of Brazil. That can't be all the parts of Brazil. Seriously?
Well, you know,
I'm still stuck on France.
But you know, to be fair, I can't eat with my hands.
You can't?
Me does that uptown eat.
Yeah, Mr. Monk.
Yeah, me can't eat.
Your OCD?
I don't OCD. But no, Shana, don't see because it's in the bag and I just ease it out of the bag and go some.
Patty?
No, I don't eat that. No, Shana, talked about something. No, I just say, you're not listening to me. This is the bag. No, I hold the bag, I don't hold the food, and the food is in the bag. So I kind of just push up the food, and then I bite it, but I don't hold it in my hand.
A funny thing because there's another school of etiquette that says finger food is just that. You're supposed to have it with your fingers. So I guess it depends.
I was invited to dinner, true story, my very good friend and his family, very good friend, and they gave us knives and forks. But then they ate with their hands. I couldn't, but they just went like that and so.
Yeah, so, it's funny because I know they use their hands sometimes in Africa, but I didn't know you had to not use your left hand. Yeah, you have to use your right hand. But
What's going on with Portugal?
If you're in Portugal and thinking to ask for salt and pepper, don't. It's considered an offense to the chef's seasoning skills. What? Well, chef.
So if I don't like the food, I can't
to
just
you, but
up
if the food
and...
fresh, me can't eat it. It's an offense to my palate to have fresh food.
But it's offense to the chef.
Me no business about
because
him.
you are telling the chefs I don't like how
so him not season the food properly, which is right. So that means they don't have salt and pepper shakers on the tables. Is that what they're saying? Well, me I walk with my salt in my purse. Me glad them tell me. When the chef now look more.
The suspense don't know what they're talking about. I can't share that story.
In Germany,
Yeah.
never cut the lettuce in a salad with a knife. Fold it with your fork instead.
Why?
Only the Lord and Savior know. On the earth I could I tell you.
Only the Lord and Savior.
Savior. No.
That's the same person, right?
The Lord is also a Savior.
Yes.
So it's the Lord and Savior. I could say Neville and Coach.
All right, so you know how Jamaicans like to look at other people's food, right?
They do?
Just to see what the options are. Well, guess what? In Egypt, you better keep your eyes on your date or on your plate because you should never look at someone else's dinner. In fact, don't ever look at anybody else's food for any reason.
Good.
Then if you sit down right and then beside me, I can't, there's me say, oh,
Good.
that look
Good.
nice over there.
I like that. I
Why you
like
like
that
it?
Egypt because someone at the
Why,
date.
when you say summer owner, is me?
Yeah. When I look on the plate, at the woman over the plate, when I look on and say, no, honey, I just look for see where them I eat. So good Egypt, keep them eye right so in front of you. I like that custom there.
No, but I am saying.
If you ever look over them, and say, sir, he's looking in your plate.
No, but
I make a fight broke out in a restaurant.
No, listen to me. We're going to the restaurant.
Yes.
You get your menu, I get my menu.
Yes.
And I'm not so certain what them look like. So I see them have Neville fettuccine.
Right.
I'm not too certain what is Neville fettuccine.
Me neither, I would meet it.
And then me look over so and me say, but Dave, that look nice, but we order that. What's wrong with that? Eh? Wait. Last one.
When we told you at the top that in Asian countries, slurping is a yes, yes. Well, in China particularly. Get this. Oh, Lord have mercy. Be sure to belch and make a mess. It shows appreciation. No, sir. Allow not to tell Chinese people. Me not think so. Me not think so.
So you said, in this big time restaurant, after me done eat, I'm comfortable. I'm just go.
No, Shauna. No,
Eh?
sir.
Is your... Eh?
No, go, sir.
And the people say, no, man, I'm going to enjoy the meal.
No, sir,
I'm going to sit back and say...
No, go, sir.
China is a big country.
No, but no, go, sir.
Oh, you know,
No, me not.
you're Chinese?
Me not think so.
You used to live there?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm sure the Chinese population in Jamaica would disagree.
What a
Look
nice
on Jody's face. The moral of all of this, ladies, is go to France to dine. That's where you need to
You
go.
can't imagine somebody just tune in a while ago and see me take the sip and just go, what's that on television? That's an uncouth young man. Anyway,
Heights
those
of
are different customs.
unsophistication.
And I have found that you respect other people's culture.
Absolutely.
As we expect that
Them
they
to
would
respect ours. True.
Yeah.
True.
And don't use their left hand and eat. That was an interesting look at dining etiquette across the world. That's it for this morning's fun stuff, folks. Dooley?
Long time one martini.